It's like my gone back at church.
First to the face here, the voice, and they don't know say a kogency, but a kogency reacts. Shut up! And today, we have the third song on the Suspicious Activity 2 tape, which is Redemption. Jesus. Man, if I sound stuffy, bro, I literally was perfectly fine. And as soon as I say, alright, let me go record this video, I sneeze like 2 times. I know my nose block up. So, if I sound a little stuffy, that's why. But, nothing with little Zaza can fix. You know what I'm saying? Nothing with little, you know what I'm saying? Bro, you see, Suspicious Activity is bad influence on my brain, and I was about to start naming packs. Bro, and I don't have any packs, bro. That's not me. That's Sus. That's him. That's them. Not me. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, before we jump into it, hit the like button. Jump into the comments. Subscribe. Let's try to get to 7K subs. You understand? We're up at 6.8 or something like that. Let's try to get to 7K. You understand? So like, comment, subscribe. Check out the links in the description. Check out my new single, Don't Give Up, reggae single. So if you like reggae, go check that out on the music channel or all streaming platforms. Follow me at kogency on Instagram. And let's jump into the video. Gang business.
Recoil mix this boom.
So I make sure everything wrong. Recoil.
What's in the air, small intention, get back, with the redemption. We got round there with one intention, and fuck.
Sorry. I know people don't like when I pause it a lot. But bro, remember so we used to play Red Dead per stream. Bro, like and comment if you need to get back per stream and start play some Red Dead Redemption again or something, bro. Or start just game pon the stream again. Let me know.
Recoil mix this boom.
But this sounds sick though.
What's in the air, small attention, get back, with the redemption. We got round there with one intention, a fucking sentence, I need repentance. I see to vengeance, a couple members who brought us closer, we watch the embers, and with the same boys for school detention. We rev the engine and get to drenching. What's in the air, small attention, get back, with the redemption. We got round there with one intention, a fucking sentence, I need repentance. I see to vengeance, a couple members who brought us closer, we watch the embers, and with the same boys for school detention. We rev the engine and get to drenching. Everybody want kill me like John Wick. If I knew about Von, I was doing Von shit. Done 2 hits, fam.
Yeah, before I knew about Von, I was doing Von shit, nigga. I was catching bodies. They got the drop on this flexing nigga. If I'm telling nigga, no. I need to say though, this hook, you know, chorus, that hook part that him start off with, bro, that is vibey. Bro, I haven't vibed like this since Turn Up. You gonna take shots if you can turn. Bro got burst and dropped his Grey Goose. But they up screaming, where's the burner? When bro let the Western sing like Angel. You understand? Like, come on, bro. I haven't vibed like this to a sus track in time.
Brought us closer, we watch the ember. And with the same boys for school detention, we rev the engine and get the drenching. Everybody want kill me like John Wick. If I knew about Von, I was doing Von shit. Done 2 hits, if I made 1 hit. Everybody hates us like Chris. I want do bro like Sully done dress. I heard that you fuck with a fifth or fuck with a bigs, but a cardiac arrest. I tap my heart and souls get lit. I ain't got go Shelly to get that wig, this itch like head that nicks. I wish that we had them guns and we got now then that we'd have had more than 6. I'll tell you for free that ambush ain't no piss, and that is a fact, not this. And King's really built.
Yo, Oxymoron told me, yo, react to the Chip versus Ambush beef. I've been somewhat keeping up kinda just through like watching bouncers videos on YouTube and people that might say a 1-2 thing, but I haven't really checked out much tracks except one track that Chip dropped with a B, you know, in the thumbnail or something like that. But I can check it out if you really want. So if you want us to check out the Ambush versus Chip beef, let me know in the comments. And then, or if Ambush beefing other people and we need to check it out, let me know. But yeah, so say yo, he's not on piss. And that's just a fact, not a diss. Like, you know what I'm saying? That's he's taking a piss.
And more than 6. I'll tell you for free that ambush ain't no piss, and that is a fact, not this. And King's really built a career, a suspect name, and need some percentages, nigga. Cherokee, 2 heaters.
Alright, I can't lie. The only reason why we even checked out Chinks one side was because we were checking out so much of Suspect, and we are like, yo, who are his ops? Like, who, like, these guys don't have no ops? Like, they're just chinging everybody and catching all the bodies, and they will find out, say, no, there's history to it, and two side to the, yeah, no, but a one side, yeah. You see me? But no, for real. But I understand what he's saying though, because we did know about suspect first before we know about Chinks. Facts. That's just facts.
I'll take you for free, that ambush ain't no piss, and that is a fact, not this. And Chinks really built his career, a suspect name, and need some percentages, nigga. Cherokee, 2 heaters.
Nigga.
Jeepers, creepers, take my soul. Finders, keepers, losers, reapers, shout my reapers. Road on peanut grievous. I want see recent pieces. Feds on charge, I like my previous. You can't prove that stand them Jesus. Next door, cooking out who's like clean. This still 10 away.
Well, technically they did, bro, because you got the G. So, I mean, give a fuck what they prove, nigga. You got the sentence. Like, shit, nigga. Like, give a fuck what the nigga can prove if the judge go ahead. You know what I'm saying? Like, for real. But say, you can't prove that Ching those niggas. But he still gave me 28. A 28 him get or 32? Which one him get?
I like my previous. You can't prove that stand them Jesus. Next door, cooking out who's like clean. This still 10 now we got 2 liters. Come like buying a chain of cause man can man get shot and they turn to Jesus. I wouldn't like me either if I got my head like buying a chain of cause man can man get shot and they turn to Jesus. I wouldn't like me either if I got my head back.
Yo, what is a kuff? Yo, man, they make me know. I know all my Mali niggas in the comments going to make me know. What is a kuff? In Jamaica, when we kuff is a verb. You go kuff that. You understand? Kuff, like you go knock something or something get hit with a force. Get kuff. Kuff, kaf, quef. Lord.
Prove that stand them Jesus. Next door, cooking out who's like clean. This still 10 now we got 2 liters. Come like buying a chain of cause man can man get shot and they turn to Jesus. I wouldn't like me either if I got my head back done like squeezes. Come like Shakespeare writing for older car. I'm mischievous genius. I'm a menace to society. I'm an addict, fuck so brighty. Verbal timey, step with the Siamese. Inflict pain, no use to lie me. M had Chinks like bro don't die me. H had E like Chinks don't die me. I don't even care about a man's reply cause M had Chinks like bro don't die me. H had E like Chinks don't die.
Wow, so M had Chinks like bro don't die on me. Then H had E like Chinks don't die on me. What? Bro, I'm confused, bro. Who's H and M and E, bro? This sound like I'm going to the mall. H and M and E, what? There's already S and S and S. Now up on the next side you have H and M and E. Bro, come on, bro. Just say your name. Give us names. Stop using just one letter to identify yourself. We're not doing that, bro. I don't know who you are.
He's inflict pain, no use to lie me. M had Chinks like bro don't die me. H had E like Chinks don't die me. I don't even care about a man's reply cause I'm responsible time they viol me. What's in the air, smell the tension. Get back, redemption. We got run there with one intention. A fucking sentence, I need repentance. I see to vengeance, a couple members who brought us closer. We watch the embers and with the same boys school detention. We rev the engine and get the tension.
I read the tension. Forgot to mention. I get to fencing. Alright, yo. I never said yo autoplay. Yo, I got disrespect, you know. I'm telling you. Redemption, yo, redemption song. These songs of freedom, but souls don't have freedom. No, as in freedom still, you know, not making a mockery of our next man's freedom. Never that, you understand? But it's true though. He is locked up for real. But this was vibey. This is my favorite track so far. The production, the hook, and him give us suspect type level of disrespect. You know what I'm saying? Not the full like test my temper type of thing. You know what I'm saying? But because it's so vibey, it can't be the test my temper type of, you understand, of intensity. Is it me? My foot just throwing a liquor. You know what I'm saying? H had E that bro don't die me. H had Chinks that Chinks don't die me. Like, you understand? Like, yeah. You have to do, I like it. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's nice. So Redemption, was it HLA made this beat? I don't remember who made this beat, but big up whoever made this beat. This beat is amazing. You understand? Bass, kicks, kicking you in the chest, everything. So let me know if you like it. Let me know if you don't like it. Let me know what else you want to see me react to. Kogency. And click the link in the bio. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get to 7K. Check out my new single. Don't give up on all streaming platforms. Click the link to go over to my YouTube channel. Like, comment over there. Let me know you came from the reaction channel. And follow me on Instagram at kogency, KOGENCYY. And on TikTok. And I'm out. Peace. Bow. And then go to OBS.
Jaja give me what we need to survive, so don't give up, try and live up. Them can't stop you now, Jaja love you. Give it a chance, you can see what love do. Nothing in this world could be above you now. Don't give up, try and live up. Them can't stop you now, Jaja love you. Give it a chance, you can see what love do. Nothing in this world could be above you.